Hey fam, happy Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or whatever day you happen to be watching the video. In my mission to incorporate lithophane prints into my crafts, I had the idea that the Wednesday dorm room window would be a perfect subject. And what better scene to recreate than the iconic painted black rooftop cello scene? So I got on Tinkercad, designed the rooftop architecture with the walls, columns, railing, and the roof itself. The window I found online, link in the description, and I separated out all these various pieces, prepped the files, printed them out, and was ready to tackle the lithophane. I grabbed two images from the show, one of Wednesday with their umbrella, the other of Wednesday inside the dorm room, with the intention to line this shot up perfectly in the frame, as if you're looking in on them in their room. Printed a lot of these lithophane circles out when I did my Batman project, the Bat Signal one, and my quick tips are to print it vertically, use 100% infill, and use a raft for support. After a quick light checks, things are looking pretty good here, so I got to priming and painting. I didn't have to go too crazy naturally because as the song goes, just paint it black. But I did dry brush a little gray for the stonework and did a bit of dark violet here and there for fun too. The scene is set, so let's turn now to do some resin printing for the Thing, the Gargoyles, Wednesday, and her cello. All these files are available online, links in the description. Once more, let's paint it black, and then you can watch me struggle to do skin tones and Wednesday's white shirt. I don't have much in the way of advice to offer other than patience. My first attempt at painting her eyes was particularly bad, but I left it in the video anyway, and I was willing to paint over it again and again, keep trying until I got to a place where it's passably acceptable. Things are looking pretty good here. Let's throw in some color now. To make a stained glass window, I cut apart binder dividers in the shapes of the various cutouts, glued them to a plastic sheet. This was cheap, easy, and came out surprisingly great. The only thing left to do now is to find some dramatic cello background music and show off the final product. Something like this.